A beeping PS4 is alarming and indicates something is wrong with your console. The beeps are the PS4's way of alerting you to an issue that requires attention. There are a few major culprits that typically cause PS4 beeping noises. Overheating. Dust buildup in vents or lack of proper airflow can cause the PS4 to overheat. This triggers the beeping alarm to warn you. Thoroughly clean dust out of the vents and fans using compressed air. Also make sure your PS4 has open space around it for ventilation. Faulty power supply. If the power supply unit inside your PS4 is damaged or malfunctioning, it can cause odd beeping noises. You'll need to replace the faulty power supply module. This involves opening up the console. Bad HDMI cable connection. A loose HDMI cable or damaged port can cause signal issues that result in beeping. Try removing and reseating the HDMI cable at both ends or swap out cables. Bad internal component seating. If a ribbon cable or other internal component has come loose, it can cause strange errors with beeping. Carefully check that everything is properly connected inside the PS4. Reseat any loose ribbon cables or connectors. As a last resort, the beeping indicates a bigger hardware failure inside your PS4. This requires inspection and repair from a qualified technician. They can diagnose issues with the motherboard, power system, etc., and replace any faulty components causing the beeping alarms.